Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. So today is going to be a little bit different style review video. Normally from this workbench, I'm giving you a review, but today I'm asking for one from you. So I've had these lifting jacks. They stay in my pack-out drawers in my truck. I've had them for quite some time now. I think the brand name on these is Cavalli, and I think I paid like 50 bucks for a set of two of them. So $25 a piece, very cheap. But it was something I didn't want to spend a lot of money on until I got me a set. See how much I use them, see if it's worth paying a little bit more money for a better premium set. Well, today is January 1st, so Happy New Year. I want to start out with that. And if we go to Lowe's.com and we look at deal of the day, we're going to see that the Viking Arms are on sale. These are the ones that I wanted to originally get, but they are on sale. Back whenever I was first looking at these, they were $200 a piece. So to buy a set of them, that's going to run you like 400 bucks. Well, now they're back. They were on sale for $179 for one thing, but now they're on sale for $129. So I'm looking at getting into two of those for basically 260 bucks, where normally it was going to cost me $400. So that's quite a bit off, but I've still never seen one in person. I don't know anything about them, so I'm not real sure that I still want to get those, but that is a really good deal on those if you've been in the market. But also, if I go over to Amazon, you can see that the Irwin jack is $79 on sale. So I could get two of those for 160 bucks. So that's basically $100 off. I've seen these. They look pretty big. Again, I've not seen the Viking ones in store. I kind of like the compact size of my Amazon ones over here, but maybe the Irwin ones would work fairly well. And then on top of that one, so that's $79, that'd be $160. If I go over to Acme Tools, I could also get the Dewalt jacks for $99 a piece. Looks a whole lot like the Irwins. The main difference between the Dewalt one to me and the Irwin is that you actually move this the top handle, you push that down to lift it up, whereas with the Irwins, it's the other way around. So if you were standing up, you could put your foot on that. I do like that about the Dewalt. I feel like I would probably pay $20 more for that feature over the Irwins, but again, I'm still kind of torn, but maybe my decision will be made for me today, and Lowe's will sell out of these. I think I still would like to maybe go with the Viking Arms just because, you know, that's the one that kind of started it. Maybe it's got more precision. Maybe it's a little bit slimmer. Maybe it's a little bit smaller. I'm not real sure, but again, that's why I'm on here. I'm asking for any of your advice in the comments below. But if you've been using the Dewalt, the Irwin, or the Vikings, drop a comment down below what you like about them, what you don't like about them. I guess the big question would be, if you had to do it over, would you buy that same exact tool again? I'm really interested in that feedback. I'm probably going to give these to a buddy of mine. He's been really wanting a set, and then I'm going to buy me a new set. Now, which ones I get, I don't know. Of course, the Vikings, I would have to decide today. It's a deal of the day. The other two are just on sale, so I could still pick them up at some other time. Don't get hurt feelings if I don't pick the one that you suggest. I'm doing a lot of research, doing a lot of choosing for myself. I kind of am leaning toward the Viking Arm just because that's the original deal, and I've heard really good things. But again, I just wish I could have seen one in person. But again, I'm asking for your review of any of those three. If you own them, please help me with that. As always, I hope this video was interesting, helpful to maybe somebody else along with myself. But you guys stay safe, have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.